Living here in the southeast, sometimes you're surprised what grows around here. Living here in the southeast, sometimes you're surprised what grows around here. Did you know in Mississippi that we have 3 varieties of prickly pear that are native to the state? We have a 4th that has been brought in that does really well here. In fact, some people would say that it's invasive. But these that I have planted here are not any of those 4. These are a spineless prickly pear. They don't have near the spines that you would see on a regular or normal or a traditional prickly pear. I think I'm gonna like these a lot better, especially when I start to harvest the fruit. Now, a few things I want to show you. One, these I put in this year. As you see the depths on that one, and then the depth on this one, and then that one. If I had to do it all over again, I would plant my pads about halfway in the ground. See how good that was doing? Now, these I planted a little further. I mean, they're doing great. They just had a little slower start. Now, if you do put these in the ground, just know that we do have a pest that we're trying to watch for, the cactus moth. And it's pretty devastating. They're keeping a close eye on it. So if you put them in the ground, you need to watch closely. And if you see any kind of worms, caterpillars eating the cactus, you need to report it. Like here in Mississippi, or I would report it to Mississippi State Extension, and they'd come out, look at it, because we're trying to stop those guys. But this is a prickly pear. Here in the southeast, you can eat the pads. Tastes like green beans, kind of. And then you also eat the fruit. So I'm excited about both of those things. What a great food source. Surprise cactus grows here.